Hello and welcome to this very short video explaining how I put my car into neutral without the ignition on. I use a T30 torque screwdriver to undo this bung, which is covering a small catch that stops the gearbox going out of park without the ignition on. Now you put the screwdriver through this hole, you'll feel a catch engage, and then you can pull the lever out of neutral. Sorry, out of park into neutral. You don't need to put the screwdriver back in to put it back into park. This is useful if you have to jack the car up. Jaguar recommend you put the car in neutral first. That's it. It's very simple. Thank you very much.